It's not about how much money you make, but how wisely you handle it. Why do so many people struggle to build wealth? Nearly 70% of lottery winners go broke within just a few years. We'll uncover the hidden traps that keep people stuck and how you can avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable strategies to secure your financial future. Building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about making smarter financial decisions. Subscribe the channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Living beyond your means. How often do you buy things to impress others? Be honest. Let's talk about my friend. He landed a high-paying job at 25 and his first move? Buying a luxury car on EMI, spending weekends at expensive restaurants, and flaunting designer outfits. Within 2 years, he was swimming in debt despite his big paycheck. Why? He was living beyond his means. According to a study by the Federal Reserve, 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing. If you're spending to impress, you're setting yourself up for financial disaster. Instead, ask yourself, would I still buy this if no one else could see it? By living within your means, you can free up money for investments, savings, and achieving financial freedom faster. Number 2, not having a budget. Studies show that people who budget are 33% more likely to achieve their financial goals than those who don't. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's empowering. Tools like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings can simplify your financial life. As the book, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey states, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you have a budget, you'll not only gain clarity but also reduce stress and build wealth systematically. Number 3, falling into emotional spending. After a stressful day, people often turn to online shopping. It felt good for a while. But soon the pile of unopened boxes in her room started to feel heavier than stress. Instead of shopping, try healthier outlets like exercising, journaling, or talking to a friend. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I trying to fill an emotional void? By curbing emotional spending, you'll save more and have funds for things that truly matter, like experiences, education, or investments. Number 4, not investing. Are you letting your money sleep in a savings account? Let's understand by example. Your friend kept $10,000 in a savings account for 10 years. With an interest rate of 1%, his money grew to just $11,000. Meanwhile, you invested the same amount in an index fund with an average return of 7%. After 10 years, your investment grew to nearly $20,000. That's the power of compounding. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. Start investing even if it's small. Platforms like SIPs or index funds make it easy for you. Master the game. The key is to set it and forget it. Number 5, avoiding financial education. Think about this. You've probably spent years studying to earn a degree, but how much time have you dedicated to understanding wealth building? How much time do you spend learning about money? Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Financial education helps you avoid scams, make smarter investments, and grow your wealth effectively. If you're making these mistakes, the good news is you can change all of this starting today. Our team is passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If this video added value to your day, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more insights. Your likes and comments are much appreciated. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing.